So here is the problem. When I am in the beginning, I just mute the audio, so it will not be bothering. It's in Spanish, but when I click in playback, I have 3 frames dropped. It's dropping some frames. It's in 1/4 of the resolution, but here can be seen that CPU is under 10% or between 10 and 15, and GPU usage is now 12%, and yet it's dropping some frames, now 5 frames only, not too many. But if I scrub to the end of the video, to this area, and I click in playback, it's dropping frames like crazy. Only at the end of the video is dropping frames like crazy, and it makes it sometimes even unusable. As you can see, GPU usage is 8, temperature remains stable, CPU temperature remains okay, CPU usage is 12%, memory usage is not much. If I enter in task manager, the memory can be seen that it's just using 5 gigas, not much. Performance memory is overall using 8 gigas. So, and for the moment, in these minutes, it dropped already almost 3000 frames. The other problem is when I export media and I go just to YouTube, Full HD, H.264. Oops. No, I will leave it as is. Hardware encoding is activated. I click on export. The boost usage goes crazy up, but then it's stable in 60. GPU usage is 24, CPU usage is 18, 24, 25 GPU. If I go here to the memory, it's using 5 gigas performance, and I have 32. Overall is using 10. Clearly it's not using all the resources, and I don't know what it can be. So if anyone can help me, it will be really appreciated. Like you see, it doesn't change. It's stable in the 25 and in the 10, 15 of CPU.